Well, a cost-effective treatment of patients afflicted with the knee arthritis has been introduced in a place of regular knee replacement technology. This new equipment is available in the form of knee surfacing. This new technology is launched at Nanavati Hospital in the city by Sankalp Mutta, which is Asia's first center for knee surfacing. This surgery involves OrthoGlide implant, which is approved by the FDA.
Knee being the largest and the weight-bearing joint is the most vulnerable to damage. The state-of-art resurfacing procedure has adopted Asia's first center for knee resurfacing at Nanavati Hospital to provide manually in-safe knee solution to patients suffering from knee joint pain. Dr. Sankalp Mutta conducted the first path-breaking knee surfacing surgery in India as well as in Asia as the major innovation in treatment for knee arthritis.
With this knee resurfacing, if the patient is having only one compartment involved and the patient is having early changes of osteoarthritis, we can treat with the knee resurfacing where only the surface of one part of the bone is resurfaced, that is changed.
The surgery takes an hour with almost no blood loss, no bone cuts and no cement used, leaving all the joint bones absolutely natural and virtually untouched. Osteoarthritis, which is the main cause of the pain, enrows the cartilage that acts as a cushion between bones in the knee joints, causing inflammation and pain in the joints.
Osteoarthritis is one of the most commonest problems in the world as well as in India. It's the most common pain people get in the knee, which is ignored for a longer period of time in Indian scenario because patients are afraid to come to the orthopedic surgeon.
The major advantage of the surgery over standard total knee replacement includes its early rehabilitation, which helps the patient to return very fast to the normal daily function. This surgery promises a cheap and an easy path of regaining back the lifestyle function. Definitely offers a new hope of ray to active and the young patient who are worried about the major surgery. Tabassum Malik, DD News, Mumbai.
Well, with all those stories, it's a wrap from Mumbai, but we'll be back tomorrow evening with some latest update. Till then, goodbye. It's back to you, Sakal.